Hi everyone, in today's video, let us learn how to demonstrate working of height using PPEs and identify the hazards and take personal safety precautions. Objectives: at the end of this video, you can be able to demonstrate how to work at height using PPEs, identify personal protective equipments PPE, safety shoes 1 pair, safety goggles 1 number, safety helmet 1 number, safety belt 1 set, safety earplug 1 pair, safety jacket 1 number. Procedure: Task 1. Demonstrate how to work at height using PPEs. Step 1. Work at height is properly planned and organized. Step 2. The risks from work at height are assessed and appropriate PPEs are selected and used. Step 3. Choose required proper working tools and equipment before start the work at height. Safety: ensured hanging belt and other safety measures are taken before going at height. Task 2. Identify the personal protective equipment PPE. Step 1. Identify the PPE. Step 2. Mention the name of the PPE, nature of hazards and type of protection. Serial number 1. Name of the PPE. Eye protection. Hazards: Number 1. Flying dust particles. Number 2. UV rays, IR rays, heat and high amount of visible. Type of protection: goggles, face shield, radiation, hand shield, heat shield. Uses: goggles cover the eyes completely, providing a secure shield against direct and indirect impacts. They are essential in situations where there is a risk of flying objects, particles, or debris that could cause eye injuries. Number 2. Ear protection. High noise level. Earplug. Earplugs are small devices designed to be inserted into the ear canal to protect the ears from loud noises, water, foreign objects, or the intrusion of dust and debris. Number 3. Hand protection. Number 1. Heat burn due to direct contact. Number 2. Glow spark moderate heat. Number 3. Electric shock. Hand gloves. Hand gloves, also known as gloves, are personal protective equipment PPE designed to cover and protect the hands from various hazards in different environments. Number 4. Nose protection. Number 1. Dust particles. Number 2. Fumes, gases or vapors. Nose mask. A nose mask, more commonly referred to as a face mask or respiratory mask, is a personal protective equipment PPE item designed to cover the nose and mouth. Number 5. Foot protection. Number 1. Hot spatter. Number 2. Falling objects. Number 3. Working wet area. Leather leg guards. Safety shoes. Gum boots. These shoes are specifically engineered to reduce the risk of injuries from potential hazards such as falling objects, heavy equipment, electrical shocks, and other workplace dangers. Number 6. Body protection. Number 1. Risk work at construction areas. Number 1. Safety belt. Safety belts, also known as fall arrest systems or personal fall protection systems, are crucial in the construction industry to protect workers from falls and minimize the risk of injuries. Number 7. Head protection. Number 1. Falling objects. Number 2. Striking against objects. Number 3. Spat. Number 1. Helmet. Safety helmets, also known as hard hats, are protective headgear designed to protect individuals from head injuries in various work environments, particularly in construction, industrial, and outdoor settings. Recap. In this video, we have discussed how to demonstrate how to work at height using PPEs. Identify personal protective equipment (PPE)